Alright, y'all. Big this. You put y'all on game to what's actually been going on out here. I just got off the phone with my boy, Rick, and like a lot of motherfuckers know, you know what I'm saying? Well, a lot of motherfuckers don't know. These supposedly boys so much swag. I don't know if they stole that shit from Swag Boys, original motherfuckers I know repping that shit, but what it is they got these album covers and these motherfuckers. No, let me change that back. They got niggas albums on their album cover shitting on them. One of the albums happened to be Riff, the mixtape. So it's like, you know what I'm saying, you from my hood, nigga, you got a shout out on this mixtape, you know what I'm saying? You repping Westline, but at the same time you going against, I wanna say the goons, I wanna say the bosses, but if that's what niggas go by these days, of the projects, and you showing disrespect instead of love, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, nigga, where do you stand? So I call a nigga, you know what I'm saying, on the same phone I'm recording on. And I'm like, what up, Script, bro? You know what I'm saying? You SMS, you know what I'm saying? What's all this bullshit I see or all this bullshit I hear about the album cover? Bro, it's not beef, you know what I'm saying? We don't do that. We just letting niggas know we hot. Okay, nigga, if you hot, nigga, you show love, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You say, I know other hot niggas. You don't put me on your album cover showing disrespect.